Hi, this is Christian with First Liberty Bank, and today we're going to go over how to install the drivers for the Panini Ideal Check Scanner. We're going to start off by going to myfirstliberty.com, and it's important you open it in Google Chrome as other browsers may not be supported. Once we're at myfirstliberty.com, we'll go and click on My Direct Check Login. That'll bring you to the login screen while you're into your merchant ID, username, and password, and then click Login. That will bring you to the home screen of the Merchant Capture portal. Up here on the top toolbar, we'll scroll over Configuration and click on Installation. This will show you your site ID along with Panini Everest AXR. If in the parentheses it does not say Panini Everest AXR, please give us a call because you may be on different drivers. We're going to click on Download Scan Driver. And down here in the bottom left, you'll get a little notification that the file is downloading, WinScan Driver. This may take a bit of time depending on your internet speed, but once it's finished downloading, we'll click on that file and it'll open a screen similar to this. This may look a little different depending on what's installed on your computer, but you'll want to click on the Extract button. If you have these three dots, we'll click on that and we'll locate our desktop and press OK. So it's going to copy this file to our desktop. OK. We'll let it do its thing. Once that's finished, we'll want to minimize out of all of our screens to get to our desktop. And on our desktop, we'll see this Panini Everest Engine Setup 2.0.4. We're going to right-click on that, Run as Administrator, and it may give you a pop-up box that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer? You'll click Yes, and then it'll take you through the Install Shield wizard. There's two boxes that'll pop up before it'll bring you to screens you can click on. That could take a bit of time depending on your computer speed. Once you get to this screen, we'll click Next. We'll check the box saying I accept the terms of this license agreement. Next. We're going to do a complete install. Make sure that box is checked. Next. We'll give it a minute. And then once it's done, we'll click Finish. And then out here on our desktop, we'll have a new red circle that says Panini Everest Engine. At this time, if you haven't already, you'll want to make sure your check scanner is plugged into your computer and plugged into a power source. You'll also want to make sure that both of the blue flaps on top of the scanner are open. We'll double click on Panini Everest Engine, and you should get the welcome screen. It'll give you the engine version, which as of October 23rd, 2019 is 2.0.4. And engine status will say available for connection. We'll click Connect. And if everything was done correctly, you should get this application connected and feeder empty true. We'll click Disconnect. And you should be good to go to make a deposit. If you go into the portal and try to make a deposit and it's still not working, give us a call and we'll see what we can do to help you out.